So now this is how you sample wine through a screw cap bottle. So I have here the gauge 20 needle. I'm just gonna drill a tiny bit of the hole on top of the cap. You don't have to pierce it through, you just have to sort of drill a dent on top of the cap. And that's what I'm doing now. So the dent looked like this. Like this dent. It's not pierced through. And then I'm gonna use a gauge 27 needle. I'm gonna connect this to a syringe that is filled, it's a 5 ml syringe filled with 2 ml of nitrogen. I'm just gonna pierce this needle through the dent I've just created earlier. And it goes in like this. And now you're gonna, because this one has quite a bit of dissolved CO2, so you see the syringe pushed up a little bit. Pushed quite a bit up. That is okay, you just have to press it in. It doesn't happen to all wines. Some wines does not have any dissolved CO2, so it's not going to be pushed right up. Just going to push it down a little bit. That's all good. And we're going to flip the bottle like this. And we're just going to draw our samples. And to the volume that you need. And I'm doing analysis today, so I'm going to draw up 4 mils of wine. You see it's quite hard, you have to it takes quite a bit of time, so be patient. Alright, that's the volume I need. Alright, so I'm going to switch the needle, switch the syringe now. Ooh, quite a bit of gas coming out. So this syringe also filled with nitrogen. Quite a bit of wine squirting out. Clean up. And now I'm gonna push nitrogen in so it covers the headspace. I'm just gonna do it like this. And now I've got silicone grease ready. So once I take the needle out, silicone glue goes out. And it stops any air coming out or any gas coming out of that tiny hole we just created. I'm just gonna smear the silicone grease all into the hole. And strip it out a little bit, the excess amount of silicone grease. I'm gonna get rid of that. And use a Kim wipe just to wipe the top. So now the hole is filled with silicone grease. And just to be safe, I'm going to put some silicone glue on top of that hole. Yeah. And it's all done. Just let it dry. And this is it.